In this video, I will show you how to create a seed stitch. Seed stitch is often used for filling spaces, flower centres and background textures like leaves, snow and sand. I will be using an embroidery needle and cotton-stranded thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. The stitch is formed of two small straight stitches side by side and randomly placed to fill an area. Bring your needle up through the fabric and back down a few millimeters apart. Come back up the fabric where you started and back down a few millimeters away along where you first placed your stitch. Continue grouping stitches together at different angles to look like scattered seeds.